southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Dublin County in southwestern Oklahoma, eastern Wichita County in northern Texas, northern Clay County in northern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Iowa Part 2 near Wichita Falls to 4 miles southeast of Jolly, moving north-northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.